So this is a class I originally developed for the Wild Rose Village Herbalism program and their online community. And it got such a great review and really lovely feedback from those who attended that I thought it's high time that I build this for clients. And I built it probably a year ago for clients. This is the first time I'm going to be offering it to people who are not necessarily yet one-on-one clients. So I'd love for you to come join us. The cost is $67. If you need a subsidy for this, there are some scholarships on offer. So if you need a scholarship, I want you to get in touch with me. Send me an email. And it's lucasimmons@gmail.com. Or if you're getting this through the newsletter, then just hit reply on the newsletter and I will get your request for a scholarship. So you can register through here. If you need a scholarship, talk to me first and I'll do the organizing of that piece and follow your links through there. I look forward to seeing you there.